I started 2 groups last week, one for public speaking and one for cognitive biases. And on the one for cognitive biases, not the one for public speaking, I won't write a book about it. But the one for the cognitive biases, I realized, cool, I can set up a index, a content list for, let's say, 12 chapters, 12 months, 1 year, 12 chapters. Every chapter or every part of the book has 4 chapters, 4 weeks. And every week, I can say 7 days, but I'll put in 4 or 5 topics for that subchapter. So that way I get my content for my groups, I get my content for the videos, and I get my content for the book. It helps me to put not a routine, but it helps me to put a structure also in part of the groups. And it's fun. I'm really enjoying it. So even if I can't apply it to the groups the whole time, I found a method or a process to force myself to write that book. If I publish it or if I don't publish it, it won't make a difference. I might just publish them as blog posts, or I might just use them as videos for my YouTube channel. But it gives me a structure and it puts me in control of that content. The first ones, I will try to do it self-publishing on Amazon, see how it is, and then we'll play it from there. It's not that it keeps me busy, but it helps me to put structure and create a process for that. Because I was going nuts with my different contents on my YouTube channel. So that's why I said I stopped it. And also on LinkedIn, it's one day I talk about time management, then I talk about habits, then I talk about change. I said, I'm going to stop all that. I'm going to focus 5 or 6 different YouTube channels instead of one where I post everything. Now 5 or 6 channels, 1 channel per topic. And with the groups and the book and all that, it's the same thing. And on LinkedIn, my personal profile, I'll publish some of my thoughts, my things, and every once in a while, I'll put something about the topics. But I will start posting off topic, just my things. It took me a while to sort that out because everybody says, no, you have to niche down, you have to niche down. Now I found my way how to do it, and I'm happy with that.